please like and subscribe to our channel. Leave your questions and feedback in the comments section. Enjoy the video.
In chapter 17, verse 26, of the Holy Quran, Allah, the Exalted, tells Muslims not to waste their money. Islam does not teach Muslims to be greedy or to spend all their money. Instead, they should strike a balance between the two. It is important to spend on anything a person needs, like food, clothes, and other things. But when spending, it is important to buy things which are reasonable. Meaning, the thing is not too expensive, nor should it be too cheap. But when it comes to things a person does not need, a Muslim should only buy those things on special occasions, for example, like birthdays, or when someone does well in school exams. But even then, it should be done once in a while, not all the time. If a Muslim does this, they will find a good balance between greed and wasting. This is what Islam teaches.